But let's move on then. Naresh H. Bhansali, CEO Finance Strategy and Business Development and CFO of Emami now joins in. Mr. Bhansali, hi, good morning. I believe there's quite a bit of emphasis on increasing your portfolio of brands in next financial year. If you could take us through the strategy on that.
So if you look at in the last year itself, we introduced some of the mega new launches. In fact, if you look at, we introduced He range of products where we started with He deodorant first, and then also She, where the sanitary napkins we launched in the last quarter of the last financial year. Apart from that, we have had all this Fair and Handsome face wash, BoroPlus face wash. We had 7 oils in one. So all these products have fared very well in the last fiscal itself, and we expect to ramp up these new launches in the next full financial year. Apart from this, there would be further new launches in the healthcare sector, kind of which we last year also we introduced this Zandu Ultra Balm, which has also done exceedingly well. Apart from this, there would be further new launches in the healthcare sector going forward.
Okay. Mr. Bhansali, hi, good to see you in today. Wanted to ask you about your FY15 guidance. So I believe that you would be in line to achieve the 16 to 18% FY15 sales growth guidance?
Yeah, in the first 9 months, we have grown by 21% cumulatively on the top line. And on the bottom line also, we have grown much more than what we had earlier given as a guideline. We expect, we had given a guideline of around 17-18% top line and the bottom line growth. We would be surpassing our guidelines which we had given in the last quarter itself.
Okay, so you're saying that your FY15 growth guidance will be better than the 15 to 17%?
It looks like.
Okay. Mr. Bhansali, what about further acquisitions? You made an Australian acquisition, Pravin. Anything more that's on your radar right now?
We keep on looking. See, if you might have noticed that our balance sheet is financially so strong, and also our management bandwidth and our hunger for the growth is very high. And so we are always on the lookout for acquisitions in India and abroad, and we keep on continuing with new opportunities, looking for the new opportunities across. So that we will continue to do.
Okay. Mr. Bhansali, if I look at your Q3 performance, you know, the management had said that your Navratna market share had risen substantially to 70.4% and even balms to 57.4%, which is up around 140 basis points. Fair and Handsome, BoroPlus also maintained market share. Do you think that you have a strong enough position to possibly undertake price hikes at this point?
You rightly said our market share across all our power brands has increased substantially in the last quarter and also for the last 9 months. And but we want to continue. There is a lot of steam in these power brands in these segments itself, and so our price hikes would be limited to the extent of what kind of a strategy we have on brand to brand, maybe just to compensate for the input prices, which we believe that the input prices have now stabilized. So I think the price rise would be limited to take care of the inflation.
All right, Mr. Bhansali, thanks a lot for your time today. That's the view from Emami.